Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. I got into some collectible premium Hot Wheels and some Johnny Lightnings and M2s, and I wanted to show you a quick preview of what I got here. Let's start real quick. I done had a complete set of these Car Culture. I believe there's 5 of them in a set. But I picked up an extra 2000 GT and an extra Land Cruiser. I like this casting right here. I'm actually thinking about taking these wheels and putting on a different vehicle, but maybe do a wheel swap. I got another Toyota here. I got the 81 Toyota Starlet. I like this little old car. Nothing new, but they're kind of hard to find around my area. Any Hot Wheels is. Got into 2 main lines. Buddy of mine picked these up for me. He's out of town working. 57 Chevrolet and a 70 Chevelle. These are out of the B case. Let me get it in the screen right there. These are out of the B case. We're slowly getting a few things not in our area. You got to go out of town to get them. Picked up a couple of Johnny Lightnings today. Hadn't seen this one before. I mean, it may not be nothing new exactly, but the 77 Pontiac Firebird in white. I've got a black one. I hadn't seen a white one, so I picked that up. And this 68 Shelby GT500. A friend of mine got that for me. I picked it up from him last night. There those are. Now, M2s. They're pretty scarce. These here were picked up at a parts store. He got them for me yesterday. Of course, we do some trading and around, and I got these. This 87 Mustang GT. These are by no means the chase or anything. They're just the mainline M2s, but these things are highly detailed. A little pricey, but they're really nice castings. And I had him get me 2 of these, the 76 GMC Sierra Grande 15. Awesome truck. I think one of these will come out of the package and probably do a custom and leave the other one alone. I'll see which package is the best and keep it put up. But these are exactly alike. Here again, they're not chase cars or nothing. They're just the basic mainline. Alright, there's those. Now we're going to switch gears just a little bit. Something I hadn't shown on here. I picked these up today. Transformers, the movie, RED, the robot enhanced design. This is the Coronation Starscream. If any of y'all have seen the movie, I seen it when I was a kid, and really awesome. But this is the Coronation version of the Starscream. You've got the crown, all the stuff that goes on. Here we go. To make it, there's what the character looks like when you get him all set up. I don't know if I'll take this out of the package or not, but I sold all my Transformers a few years ago, and they had the original G1 collection from back in '84, and regretted some of that. My original Optimus Prime, Megatron, and all that's gone, but I buy a few of these every once in a while and kind of put up. Here's another one. This is a newer one. This is from Transformers Prime series, but it's another RED Transformer, Knockout. Pretty good looking character. I'm not a real big fan of the newer Prime series and all that, but I like the way this guy looks, so I went ahead and picked him up. Ultra Magnus, from the newer series. Now this is without the armor. This is just the basic Prime looking figure right here, Ultra Magnus. Here's all of his stuff he comes with. You know, you can set him up like Prime was in the G1 cartoon with the axe coming out of his right hand. Chest opens, got a place for the Matrix of Leadership. Really, really nice design. I saw this and it looked, you know, I'd seen them on the internet around, and I thought, well, you know what? Here's another one I'll pick up just for the heck. And I picked one up. I got a friend that wants one, so I got 2 of them. This one's for trade, or this one, I don't know. One of them's mine, and one's going to be traded off, so I went ahead and bagged 2 of those. But just made a small haul this morning. Wanted to show you all. Kind of hadn't got into the Transformers thing, but you know, we got Hot Wheels, we got M2s, we got Johnny Lightnings. Just picked up all kind of stuff today, so, you know, wide variety. That's it for the video, just a short one. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. Check back to my channel for other videos. We do Hot Wheels, we do cast iron cooking, we do a little bit of everything, so you never know. Just check it out and see. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.